So this is called SellHealth, and I've literally made $83,000 this month so far. Last month, June 10th was the payout, was $63,000. Just paid ads. I'm promoting some of the top offers here on this platform, and I do talk about which ones they are. They're right here. Semenax is the main one, and some of this one right here in my back end. That's it, okay? And my retargeting and stuff like that with adult marketing. Very powerful. These offers convert like wildfire. You can actually do content marketing, promote these super well, guys. I do talk about this in another video. You guys can absolutely crush it. I mean, Nutra offers and health offers, they convert like wildfire. Like wildfire. So if you guys are interested in learning more, I do have more programs and stuff like that. And I mean, they're super affordable. I'm not trying to rip off anyone here or anything. Like literally, I make more money just from doing the stuff I'm teaching here. It's crazy. It's going to be available, but then it'll be gone forever. And there's no risk to you. And I mean, the investment is super cheap for how much value you're getting, okay? It has the power to change your life. I'm teaching stuff that's gold. Hop inside of that, you could absolutely just change your life. I mean, make racks, bro. Racks. It's crazy. It's life-changing stuff I'm teaching here. This is going to change people's lives forever. Peace.